Now, as we are here in a hangar, we can remove the rest of the teak. Most of the teak is now gone. Next step is to remove the teak glue and to sand the surface. From a better angle. We removed and sanded everything on the entire 30 square meter deck. Everywhere. Then we need to remove what is left from teak glue in the gel coat. Next step is to prepare the holes from the old screws properly for sealing. Prepare a proper hole for sealing. Drill with countersink. Then fill with epoxy filler like shown in the video linked above. Now back to real life, applying two-component epoxy filler. We were using 2K aeronautic epoxy filler. Looks a bit chaotic, but works out pretty well. Most important thing is to close all holes properly with enough material. That is how it looks like before making the surface even by sanding. Now the surface needs to be flattened. Done with sanding paper 120 or 180. It is important to have it properly done. Since on top of that there will be 2 layers of epoxy primer, 2 layers of coating and finally Kiwigrip. Good moment to get rid of the old name of the vessel, with all necessary respect, of course. Coming up in the next video, applying primer, coating and Kiwigrip. Follow us for the last steps of the new deck and more DIY boat videos.